Hey guys, long time no see. It's been a while since I posted a video, so I figured why not do one today, kind of bring you up to speed what's going on around here. It's been some over the past, I would say, I don't know, month and a half. There's been some changes around here, so let me show you what's going on if you wanna see. And yeah, I'm just watching these guys over here. They're putting in some new blacktop on the road leading up to our front gate here. Well, the main road out here. So it was all, you know, real rough, and I don't know if you've been to the Philippines, you've probably seen it out, at least out in the province, where certain sections of the road will suddenly become really messed up. But you know, there's probably somebody getting ready to run for re-election or something like that, and they just want to, yeah, look good. So here, let's take a walk around. All right, I'm not going to open up my gate door right now, but yeah, they're down there. It's a Sunday too, and these guys are probably working for double time or something, I don't know. But anyways, let's take a walk around. Grass is getting a little long. We just cut it, actually, and we've been getting a lot of rain. Well, yeah, quite a bit of rain, so that'll make it happen. The Kubo is not really getting much attention these days. We don't sit out here often anymore like we did before, and that's mainly, look at the dogs are in here tracking everything around. It's mainly because we have a lot more choices, a lot more options of where we can sit and relax. You know, since we moved into this house, it's quite a bit more space. There's the dogs. Hey guys. So we bought a new exercise bike, and it's covered up right now. But we moved both exercise bikes up onto the terrace here. Just a better location for that kind of stuff. This is the dirty kitchen and extended roof that we had built for us last month. Her brother came out here, and then one of our friends also. Between her brother and one of our friends here locally, we were able to make this happen. And a lot of runs to the construction materials business that we had to buy a lot of this stuff from. The smoker. We're still kind of organizing back here, so you know, like all this stuff is gonna go away as soon as we find a place to store all this garbage. So, and then, like I said, the grass is getting a little bit longer, so we need to come back here and cut this out. I gotta watch where I'm walking so I don't step in no dog crap. And then there's the back of the house with the extended roof. We put like a temporary tarp right there to block the sun and rain from going in. So, alright, let me see here. Okay. Here's the kitchen area. I tell you what, this has made such a huge difference, because the back of the house faces south. So when that sun comes up in the morning, before we had this extended roof put in, that sun just immediately pounded on the back of the house. So that room in there, which is my guitar room, would be pretty warm because the sun is just pounding up against this wall. And then as soon as you would walk out the back door and come out here, you get blasted by sun immediately. Here's the bathroom, one of the bathrooms right in here, the other side of this wall. So this whole back of the house would just get plastered with sunlight. Not anymore. As you can see, extended roof all the way across the back of the house, and then half of this back area is taken up by this new dirty kitchen we have, which is absolutely wonderful. So no cooking inside the house, everything gets done out here. Even put in a nice little sink, and a couple gas cans down there. Stove, kind of lowered the countertop right there so she can cook a little easier. And then a lot of this material we used from our other place, like say for instance this here, this was actually a gate door that we had over at the other place, and we just kind of trimmed it up, cut it up, and formed it to fit this little section here. This here, all this material here was our extended roof that we had over at the other place. We put it in and we took it with us when we moved. We weren't going to let the previous landlord keep all our upgraded stuff, so we removed it, everything, and brought it over here. And well, as you can see, we reused all the material for this back wall here. And then that used to be a front wall that we had over at the other place, and again, we kind of cut it up, modified it a little bit, made it fit this section here. So, and then of course we just went out and bought all new tiles to make these countertop, and tons and tons of hollow blocks to make these little walls here. Still gotta figure out a nice drainage system for this sink. Here's looking over on the other side as it joins up with the house. Okay, so today's project, before the dirty kitchen came along, the new dirty kitchen over there, all the cooking got done right here. We just had well, actually that brown table that I showed you earlier that had the paint can sitting on top of it, that we need to find something to do with that. But that brown table used to sit right here, and we had the stove parked on top of that. So all the cooking got done here. So as you can see, what do we have? We have a bunch of spattered grease and ickiness all over this wall. So today's project is to remove all this stuff, and we're going to clean the hell out of this wall, bring it back to its original luster. So as soon as I'm done making this video, I got to remove all this stuff. She's already starting. I got to pull all this stuff out and move it over here somewhere so we can wash that wall. So yep, so this side of the house, which is the kitchen, which we don't cook in, obviously, we do that back there, and the dining area, and then the living room area. That's what this side of the house is. And then we have extended roof here also for the carport, for the car that we do not have. Yep, we don't need one. This is the first time in my life, well, other than when I was a kid, that I haven't had a car. And you know what? I don't miss it, not one bit. We have a scooter. We have public transportation everywhere. So we are good to go on that.
Yeah.
bug shit or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think this is what.
Only down the grease one, but you don't need to reach out if you cannot.
Yeah, I think this will be fine.
Some I already.
Yeah, we need.
Okay, ready? Sure. Hey, Han.
Clean up.
Clean up. Everybody clean up. Okay.
All right. The two Rottweilers see water and they want to play. Don't you guys? You're waiting. They're waiting. See what they're doing right now is they're waiting for us to splash them with water from this bucket.
They think that we're just playing.
Yeah, they don't realize that we're actually doing chores. They think this is playtime and they're waiting for us to splash them. Yep. These two idiots. Everything's a game. That's why I call them the meatheads. Everything's going pretty good. No complaints. Life is good over here. We're enjoying it. Alaminos City is a very nice place to live. You know, I see all this stuff on TV and social media of things going on back in the United States, and well, I tell you, I don't miss that one bit. Matter of fact, I came over here July 2020 permanently, and I haven't even thought about going back, other than maybe for doing some, you know, renewal of driver's license, things like that. But other than that, you can keep it, man. I don't want it. So life is so much more simpler and much more peaceful over here, with the exception of that construction equipment going on out there. So, yep. Once again, the dirty kitchen, looking good. You know, even when you're over here, you know, a lot of times you end up renting, but when the cost of rent is at such a reasonable level, it's really not a difficult financial decision to make in terms of doing home improvement stuff. You know what I mean? It's I don't have a problem doing this because, well, the cost of rent is so damn good here that you can, I don't know, everybody's mileage may vary, but as far as I'm concerned, I don't have a problem reaching into my pockets and pulling out a little cash to do, you know, stuff like this to just make life better for yourself. And it really doesn't cost that much to do in the first place. Materials aren't too bad in the cost department, and then of course labor. labor's not bad either. I mean, I won't even get into that one right now, but it's really not bad. So, all right, there you have it, guys. That's pretty much it for now. I really haven't been posting anything on YouTube. I mean, it's you know, if you're not monetized on YouTube, I don't know, posting, you know, making a lot of videos and, you know, going through all the hassle of, you know, editing and all that, it gets to be kind of taxing after a while, you know, especially you don't get anything for it. It's just kind of a, I guess, a little side hobby. So anyways, enough dribbling. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. We'll try to keep you posted what's going on. I still got to get out into the city and maybe make a updated Alaminos city video to, you know, to show you guys that, you know, that are from here, and, you know, and for whatever reason you're not residing here anymore. But if you're watching this video, let me reassure you that things back here are going just fine. Alaminos City is still kicking, and life is good here. We welcome you back when your time comes to return home, and I think you'll find that things are just as you left it, maybe even better. So anyways, I'll stop. Take it easy, guys. Appreciate you watching. Until next time, take care, guys. All right, bye-bye.